Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2015 Subaru Outback 3.6R rear brake pad replacement. So it looks like you need to get in here and access what's called the brake maintenance mode, and we activated that, and it says the electric parking brake switch is disabled, so it's retracted the brake caliper, I believe. So it's my first time doing this, so we'll have to do the brakes and we'll get back in here and redo this test and then clear codes. So you can now perform brake service. So we're good to go. Seven millimeter Allen. Find a price on those yet?
Actually, I couldn't find a whole assembly with the solenoid thingy on it.
Yeah.
So I found AP and actually Subaru both were just showing just the pump.
Yeah. A little bit of dirt and gunk on here you can clean off with some sandpaper or wire brush. So then, as you see, we've already collapsed our piston with screwdriver. Should be good. I do make special tools for collapsing. Best thing ever. All right. You can see there's a little contact point there. You can maybe put a little lubricant wherever you see contact points on there, and we can slide our new rotor on. Usually rotors come with a anti-rust coating on it, so you want to wash that off with some warm soap and water. And you can towel dry it, be good to go. You can probably look and see then again contact points on here. Clean this up with a little sandpaper or wire brush, and then put some lubricant on our brake pads. Tighten the bracket down to about 47 foot-pounds. Put a little lubricant on there.
That's funny because I didn't even look. Maybe I'll sell mine for 45 and make money. Dang, I'll have to go out there and look now. Man.
Tighten this down to about 24 foot-pounds. Lug nuts say 88.5 foot-pounds. Tighten them in a crisscross pattern. As tight as you can when the vehicle's off the ground until the wheel starts spinning, and lower it down until the wheel touches the ground, and then torque them down 88.5 foot-pounds. Blue torque stick rated at 85 foot-pounds will get us real close. We can finish it off with a torque wrench. All right, here's the brake master cylinder on the Subaru. Has a maximum line and a minimum line. Pump the brakes a few times and check the fluid level. Cap screws on and screws off. Looks like .3 brake fluid as usual. There's the level right there. So we are good to go. Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't overflow. Brake fluid can damage paint, so just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't spill all over. If you care about that kind of thing, then we'll go ahead and get out of the brake maintenance mode on the scan tool. Alright, so we got the key on, or the button pushed. It's on. Brake maintenance mode. Brake maintenance mode is resumed successfully. If the brake service is complete, follow the next step to complete the air bleeding process. Alright. The electronic parking brake will automatically begin to return to normal state. Confirm that all brake service is complete. Yes. The system will perform air bleeding function. All lines are tight. Yes. Depress the brake pedal slowly to the end. No pressure detected. Please exit function and check the brake system carefully. What? It's baloney. Ooh, I felt it pulsing. That was cool. It was pulsing. Air bleeding's complete. Turn off ignition, start the engine, confirm the operation electronic parking brake. Right, it says it set a code, so I'm going to clear codes too if it set a code. There we go. Interesting, I don't see any warning for the brake being on. Let's close this. Parking brake. On. Red light is on. My brake's off. It's in drive. It's in drive. I'm going 0 miles per hour. My foot's not on the brake. So that's working. Push down, lights off. E-brake's off. Alright, we're good to go. That's replacing your brake pads and rotors. 2015 Subaru. Other model years as well.